Now it's time for our AAA round in No Reservations. I'm Aisha Alam Khan. If you've just joined us, you've missed a fabulous, fabulous show. You must catch the repeat if you can. We have with us Sajid Hassan and Maheen Khan. This is basically, I throw out a question at you and you respond with the first thing that comes into your mind. Describe your personal style.
I can't think. My personal style is just, I'm just stylish. I was born stylish.
Oh, I love that. Okay.
Out of the world. I was saying out of the world.
I'm just
Not
me.
of this world.
To get far in this industry, you need to
Work hard.
Okay. Pakistani designers are
Going to move very far and very soon.
spoken like the true optimist that Maheen Khan is. The most desirable man.
My husband.
Nice. All right. And Sajid, don't be a little wet blanket on this one now. The worst designer in Pakistan.
You're asking me?
Yes. You would have the credentials to say so.
Take my name. You'll be better off.
This is, no, she's going to get me to trouble.
Yeah, that's what they want.
And I'm going to get jutas with
They
me.
want your life to be miserable after this.
Yes.
Would you stop being a wet blanket and lighten up?
Spoken like
Dry
the
up,
press.
No, but it's true. I mean, like, look, there are all kinds of designers out there. Everyone cannot be the best.
I refuse to. What's my under the kya?
The Ninth Amendment?
Ninth Amendment. I'm allowed to not answer this question.
American हो गए. आपको पता है de facto उन सारे American हैं. तो आप fifth ले लें.
Fifth Amendment. All right. Your guilty pleasure.
Eating chocolates.
Really? I don't believe that. Wow. Okay.
That's always a midnight snack where I hide and go into the fridge and get my chocolates.
All right. Your stance on cosmetic surgery.
Fabulous. Can't live without it.
What is your pet peeve?
I cannot tolerate fools.
Oh God, here I go. Sorry. You're sitting right
I
next to me.
hate it. That's my pet peeve.
Your biggest regret so far?
Well, I didn't spend enough time with my children when they were small. This is my biggest regret. I was so busy working.
When did you realize that?
When they were older and went to college, I realized that I'd missed out. That
3 of your worst habits.
very short temper, very untidy,
Really?
and then I tidy up after myself.
Huh.
I'm a wannabe tidy person.
Wannabe tidy person. All right. From the wannabe to thank you. That was fantastic responses. Thank you for your honesty.
With the third one, you didn't get that.
क्यों अभी बा हो गया.
तीसरा भी तो बताएं.
She tidies up after herself.
Okay.
Wannabe tidy person. Huh. Your turn.
Go ahead.
I've described you. Now it's time for you to describe yourself in 3 words.
He is mad.
Okay, now watch it.
Indian television soaps are.
Soaps.
Okay.
Just like soaps, yeah. They just. I don't know. I don't watch them, so please do not ask me. I don't qualify.
But you went to act in one.
No, it wasn't a soap. It wasn't a soap. It was a Hasina Muin thing.
Acha.
I was very used to it. It was written by Hasina. That's why we went to India.
But it was done
very
in
familiar
soap
territory.
style, no?
No, it wasn't soap style. No, not at all. Soap style is that 5 minutes. उनके पास एक script नहीं होता. You don't have a script, right? So what do? When there is a hollow, big gap, and there are only 15 written lines, right? And you have to shoot a 25-minute. What do? You say, आपको बच्चा होने वाला है. Ding 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 ding. 5 minutes. Then her. Ding 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 ding.
Yes. Worst Pakistani actress.
The worst Pakistani actress.
Fifth Amendment.
No, why?
No, why? Huh.
Why? I'd say. What's her name? Sasi Palejo.
I don't know her. Poor thing.
Well, she is.
Oh,
Well,
she is.
All right, your dream project.
Look, I used to dream, not
I
anymore.
know.
I told you,
I
it
know.
stopped.
I'm still
an
waiting for that script that was
insomniac now.
promised to me 20 years ago.
Well, Aisha, I swear it's.
And I told him, I said, by the time you finish writing it, I'll be like an 80-year-old grandmother. It'll be far too late for me to play a 16-year-old little thing.
No, he'll give you a grandmother role.
Yeah, but it'll still be very meaty. And he'll shift the onus from the main girl
To the
who's young
grandmother.
and new
Dun, 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 dun,
to you.
dun,
Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun.
All right, come on, your dream project.
Stop dreaming.
Really?
I think it's pointless in Pakistan. I think the only people who should dream are money people.
Sajid,
People
have
who
you
have
really
lots of
given up on
money.
your... Sajid, seriously, have you really
Well,
given
it's
up on
not.
your
It's
dreams?
more about being realistic now. You know, I'm trying to get to do a one-man show. This is my last dabble. if it fails, and which I think it will,
Oh, God.
Would you stop being so pessimistic?
that's my last stint. Then we
I
go
am
into
taking you for a cup of coffee and need to talk to you very seriously.
very seriously. She'll have to take all Pakistanis like me. That means about them many, many millions
All the
of us.
Pakistani males.
All of them, please. They all
Okay,
need to be talked
Pakistani
to.
politicians are.
Very good people, honest, and I think I look up to them. They are some of the role models. I think amazing people, and I think they have the love for their people, and the love of their people drives them to do such amazing things. Every day we hear a new thing, and we wake up to new beautiful reality.
Your guilty pleasure.
My guilty pleasure is that I enjoy life too much, unlike most of us.
That's nice.
That is very nice, considering how dark and depressing you have been.
Look,
I'm glad you can
whatever
say
I
that.
go through, I go through as somebody who's a part of the society. But within me, there's a very, very happy person. I was born happy.
Yeah.
I've been given a gift of happiness, and it's a choice. And I refuse to be unhappy.
The most embarrassing moment of your life.
Oh my God! I will never ever get into such a. And again, the next day, आज फिर कुछ होगी. I think अभी मैं जाऊँगा तो मुझे पता चलेगा मैं what the hell was I saying?
Give us some incident in particular.
So many of them. I get embarrassed every day. Like day before yesterday, I was asking this very big industrial sort of media tycoon for a job, and he said, Sajid Saab, I've heard that you are an alcoholic. So I said, I've been accused of many things, but not that. So I'm not getting a job, am I? So he says, no. So that's it.
All right. One person in the industry.
They have strange notions about you, Mike.
One person in the industry you can't stand.
Amir Liaquat Ali Khan.
Why?
It's because he's very good, right? He's too good. I envy him. The moment I see him, I say, my God, God's given him all the talent. Where was I when he was distributing this gift of gab?
It's been so wonderful having you on the show.
Aisha.
It's been
It was
such a fun
wonderful.
show, and thank you for coming here.
pleasure.
Always love meeting you in any case, but on the show's been fabulous, and I'm honored and
Thank you.
privileged.
And I'm
Thank
sure
God
you've gotten us,
It's
and
been
I'm
great.
sure she's gotten me into trouble again. So I'll be banned for another 20 years.
तुम तो अब जाके छुप जाओ कहीं.
Coffee to aap pilwayengi.
They're going to go off and have their coffee, and hopefully the optimistic Mahin Khan will rub off on the pessimistic Sajid Hassan.
I think they already have.
And we'll see like a new Sajid popping
Oh,
up
yeah.
from somewhere. Join us again next week, right here on No Reservations, with another pair of fantastic guests, right here, Sunday nights, 9 p.m. Don't miss it. I'm Aisha Khan. Good night.